Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Stouffer's chicken Alfredo. For oven preparation, first preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure to remove the outer carton completely and carefully peel away the silver film from the tray. This step ensures proper cooking and even heating throughout your meal. Your delicious chicken Alfredo is almost ready. Once your oven is preheated, place the tray on a baking sheet. Position it carefully on the center rack to ensure even heat distribution. Bake a single serving tray for approximately 35 to 40 minutes. For family size, this time will be longer, roughly 1 hour and 10 minutes. Always ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit with a food thermometer for safety and best flavor. If you prefer the microwave, start by cutting a small 1-inch slit in the center of the film cover. Place the tray directly into your microwave oven. Cook on high power for an initial 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Then, let the tray stand for 2 minutes to allow the heat to distribute before its final cooking phase. Cook for an additional 2 minutes on high power, ensuring it is heated through. After cooking, whether in the oven or microwave, it is crucial to let the tray stand for 5 full minutes. This allows the internal heat to redistribute, ensuring a thoroughly cooked and delicious meal. Carefully remove the hot tray using oven mitts, as the dish will be extremely hot. Peel back the film, watching out for steam, then it is ready to serve alongside your favorite accompaniments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.